All right, so I sent out an email that has the next Khan Academy class. It's called Computer Programming. So you can click on this active link just by hovering over it and press the control key down and click, and it will open up just like this. And it creates a place where you have logged in before and you can join the class. Okay, so I'm just going to open this wider. All right, so we're going to join our class and click onward. From this location, we want to click on courses. And currently I have the computer programming class already hooked up here. Okay, so if I wanted to edit my courses, I can come back here and unclick everything if I wanted to, but we have to have one clicked. So you saw that I had the Pixar one from a couple weeks ago, and so I can click that one or unclick it, and then just have the computer programming class if I want. So I'm going to do it like that. There we go. So the one class that I'm going to focus on this week for credit is Intro to JS, which is JavaScript. And we're going to do some drawing and animation. Okay, so we are doing the Intro to Programming and Drawing Basics. That's as far as we are going. We're going to have a challenge of a waving snowman. So you can, once you get that, then you can have a, take a snippet of it and post it in the weekly check-in. So waving snowman, that's what we're looking for. If I go back here to computer programming, and let's say I want to go to my, in a sense, my dashboard, you can come back here and look and see what I've been working on. I can edit my Pixar class back. And we'll put it right in this spot here. And so that's what it looks like. All right, so get started on Intro to JS. Focusing just on Intro to Programming and Drawing Basics. In a couple of weeks, we'll do the other assignments as well. All right, don't forget to snip and do the weekly check-in.